All right, man. When I was looking this up, I saw only but two people reacting to this. Okay. Um, so shout out to Matthew Bueller with the PayPal donation request. He wants me to check out Skinny Puppy. Now, when I looked it up a little bit, like I heard the word industrial. So I want to know what that means for you guys in the comment section. But I heard a comment on one of the videos say it's similar to hip hop, like they kind of cousins in that way, maybe second or third cousins. So I don't know what to expect from this, but I'm always open to kind of dive into new music. So with that being said, hey, let's get it, man. Let's see what Matthew talking about. Kind of sound like unsolved mysteries.
Fallen angel, head, crashes dead, out of control, lost memories, staircase twist, darker rooms lit with left out toys, after playing, mean changes toys into tools, twisted playthings on the staircase rules, weapons, will presents the killing game. Todd, the killing game. Awaken, eyes zone, wearing glasses, dripping, tap tap temple door. Locked inside, scream, bitter, scraping, tooth and nail, nowhere to go. Quiet, traces, forcing light, tears, thread, pretend, nothing blinds, minds closed.
Yeah. I have no idea what's going on. And I love to give music a chance. Mentally, I don't know what genre to put this in. But I want to talk about what I'm hearing. You know what I'm saying? It sounds very disturbed. You know what I mean? It sounds like war and conflict all in one place. It definitely vocally doesn't it doesn't stand out vocally to me. So I'm looking for a beat drop. It's not a traditionally so far. It's not really a traditionally set up song. So yeah, just trying to figure this out a little bit.
Awaken, eyes zone, wearing glasses, dripping, tap tap temple door. Locked inside, scream, bitter, scraping, tooth and nail, nowhere to go. Quiet, traces,
Electric guitar got a little bit of padding going on.
minds closed in sanctuary, closed in sanctuary. Padded walls, not quiet. Storm's fury burnt out. Now killing time. Todd, the killing game.
This feels like I'm being hypnotized or something.
Times, Todd, the killing game. Herself.
Leatherface.
I taught the killing game first.
I should have maybe.
Words, distant pain. Remember trains of thought collide. No one view window. Pushing faces through. Shots, cold glass. Poke funny holes. Exposed. I taught the killing game first. I taught the killing game first.
I don't even know how to feel about that. I've never heard of Skinny Puppy. I've never heard that genre of music at all. Um, I'll be honest. Maybe I should have. I don't. I don't even know how to digest that, bro. You know what that felt like to me? It felt like a. It felt like a nightmare. It felt like flashes, images of things that you would see in a nightmare. And I'm not even trying to disrespect the song. It's just what I'm getting from it. And I'm like, I don't know what's going on. Lyrically, I don't know what's going on. And I was like, bro, he might want his money back for this one, man. I ain't gonna even front. And I happily give it back. I don't even know how to dissect it. And I think that's why he requested this. He wanted to really see if I could really jump into this. And I've never dove into this format before. This is different. This is very different. I want to see what the comment section is saying, though. No words can express how epic this song is. One of the greatest songs ever recorded. Saw this on MTV 120 minutes back in 1992. Wow. This is the song that got me into industrial music. Said, I think it was 1993, the first time I heard it. I never heard anything like it before. It changed me forever. My appearance, my lifestyle, my choice of everything. I was about 17 years old. Like, this is, in the comment section, don't feel how I feel, you know? Like, the comment section is on the other side. Like, I'm on one extreme and people love this. Right. Somebody said that this sounds like a malevolent lullaby one hears during treacherous moments of having pneumonia or the flu. It sounds so evil yet enchanting. It's kind of heavy to an underlying extreme of metal influence, definitely industrial gothic masterpiece. And personally, I don't even think it's in that, man. And I don't know what to think, man. Shout out to you, Matthew, for giving me bewilderment for the first time on this channel. I never felt this before, and thank you for the challenge. But I gotta say, this one is a hard one to digest. All right? Post comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Catch you guys at another one, all right?